Hello everybody, we're going to do some potato planting today. We have got 3 different sorts. One is called Colleen and it is an early potato. The next one is called a blue salad potato. And these 2 we're going to plant in a sack, or you could put them in a big pot, it doesn't matter which. And over here we have got some pink fir apples. Very lovely. They're a main crop potato, so we're planting those ones in the ground. So I've got here an old potato sack that we already had, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it so it's got about 4 inches, which is 10 centimetres of soil on the bottom. And when it's got enough, then I'm going to have a look at my seed potatoes to see what has been happening to them. So I've got enough soil, and these ones, they've all been left in a bright place, not in direct sunlight, but out so that they get the light on them, and they've started to produce some lovely eyes. Basically it's where the tubers are starting to come out. So I'm going to take off the bits that are very little, so we don't really want those, and I'm going to leave this bit sticking up and put that into my sack. And then I'm going to get another one, so I'm putting all the Colleens here in one sack, although actually 4 is probably enough, so I might not put all of these in. So I've done 2 now, and then another one, and the last one. That looks good. I'll put that one in. And then I'm going to get some more soil, and I'm going to cover it up by 10 centimetres again. 4 inches, whichever you want to say. And then when I've covered them all up, basically we let them do the work themselves. So we'll give them some water, and we'll leave them, and eventually some shoots will appear. So I've just stopped at that point, and when the shoots appear, you'll start to see the lovely green of the leaves, and then we're going to start to put more earth on top. But always make sure that the shoot bits, the leaves, are sticking up a bit at the top, and then leave them for a bit longer and put some more water on them, let them grow a bit bigger, and they'll go higher up. Top them up with earth again, it's called earthing them up, and then again leave a little bit of shoot at the top, a bit of the leaf, and then keep going until it gets to the very top of the pot here, or the sack rather here. And then once the leaves get really big and they start to flower, then your potatoes will be ready to eat. Exciting. Happy potato planting.